evening, fellow Golden Westerners. On behalf of the Rotary Club of Marikina West, we welcome everyone to this dinner program of the Governor Pope's and team's visit to his home club, the Rotary Club of Marikina West.
This is the first time that I see the grandest ceremony ever made by the Rotary Club of Marikina West in our history. Hope Creating President Rene Domingo and spouse Irene, maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat.
A warm and thrilling good evening, fellow Rotarians, friends, guests, and spouses. The Rotary Club of Marikina West, commonly known to be the Wild Wild West, is having a very remarkable year at this time because we have our first district governor who was put into the lineage of governor of District 300. Since this will become a memorable night for us to welcome a person who came from our own lineage and breeding. So my dear friends, again fellow Rotarians, you will expect a very memorable night. The night on how the Wild West will have our fellowship and it will be rendered to you until 6 a.m. tomorrow. Again, welcome and have a very, very thrilling evening. Thank you.
Binibigyan natin parangal ang aming Charter President, Nanding Rose. Totoo po yun. Ito ang kanyang isang natatanging pangarap. Na sana, no, na makita niya isang Golden Westerner. But despite our reputation, whether it's good or bad, one of us would finally make it as district governor.
I do solemnly promise to help advance the object of Rotary, comply with the Constitution and bylaws of Rotary International, and that of my Rotary, ever putting into practice Rotary's motto, service above self. Four-way test of the things we think or do. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendship? Will it be beneficial to all concerned?
My dear new Rotarians, welcome to the wonderful world of Rotary. Welcome to the Rotary Club of Marikina West, also known as the Golden West, but more popularly known as the Wild Wild West. Congratulations! Salamat sa Rotary Maraming salamat sa aking mga iniidolo, sa mga past district governors, sa aking friends for life, who I am sure will forever become my lifelong friends. My family in the Golden West, the Wild Wild West. Thank you, everyone. Let's all have a nice evening.
And last but not the least, President Rene Domingo as new major donor, 500,000 pesos.
Let us make the most of this visit and enjoy the fellowship in the Golden West style your club has prepared. Thank you and good evening.
A total of 32,000 US dollars.